Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Snowflake Data Cloud Best Practices detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Snowflake account. Once logged in, navigate to the interface dashboard. Locate the Marketplace option on the left sidebar. Click on the Marketplace to access available data products. In the Marketplace, use the search bar to find data providers or specific datasets. Select a data provider that interests you. Read through the terms and conditions presented. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance of the terms. Proceed by clicking on the Confirm Subscription button. After confirming, you may need to specify additional parameters based on your requirements. Fill in necessary details like data freshness or update frequency. Once completed, finalize your subscription by clicking Save or Submit. After your subscription is confirmed, return to your dashboard. Check for any updates or changes made by the data provider regularly. To keep your data cloud organized, consider creating a tagging system for easy access. Participate in forums or follow community guides for ongoing best practices. Utilize Snowflake's documentation to stay updated on new features. Regularly review your subscriptions for relevance and value. Adjust your subscriptions as necessary to maximize your data resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.